Hello, my lovely students. How are you today? This is Miss Lama speaking. Today we will start with Chapter 8, Lesson number 3, Unit Fractions of a Whole. But first, I miss you all, both sections 3A and 3B. Now, Hadi's family ordered a pizza. He wanted to share it equally with 5 brothers. So here we have a pizza. We have a whole pizza. He wants to share with 5 brothers. So we want to divide the pizza into 6 equal parts. We cut the pizza into 6 equal parts. Now, each one will get one part from the 6 parts. Each one will get one part from the 6 equal parts. So we write 1 out of 6, one part from the 6 parts. And we say 1/6. Here we have 1 out of 6. Today we will start with a fraction. What is the meaning of a fraction? Fraction it means when we have a part and we have a whole. Fraction can be written using 2 whole numbers and a line. We draw a line between the 2 numbers. The first number or the number above the line is called numerator, and the number below the line is called denominator. The number below the line tells us total number of parts in a whole. What is the total number of parts? What do we have? We have 6 equal parts. So we write down total number of parts, we write 6. And number above the line is the number of parts are taken from the whole. Here we have 2 parts, so we write 2 up, 2 out of 6. This is a fraction. We have 2 out of 6. Now let's practice. Here we have an example. Write the number of equal parts in the whole. Then write the fraction. You should write the fraction. It means a line and 2 whole numbers. That names the shaded part. Shaded it means colored. What do we have here? Look to the shape here. What do we have? We have a shape and it's cut into 8 equal parts. So what is the number of equal parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 8. Now, let's write the fraction. Fraction, it means to write a number of shaded parts from the whole. We have 1 out of 8. We have one part from the 8 parts. 1 out of 8. How we read the number? 1/8. 1 out of 8. Now, let's start with a unit fraction is a fraction that has a numerator of 1. When we have a numerator 1, the name of the fraction is unit fraction. Here we have an example. The first picture, we have 1 out of 2. 1 out of 2. So it's 1/2. 1 out of 2 is shaded. We have one part from the 2. Here we have 1 out of 3. It's 1/3. Here we have 1 out of 4. Also unit fraction. Unit, it means 1 up. Numerator is 1. What is that? 1/4. Now 1 out of 5. 1/5. And 1 out of 6. Here we have 6 equal parts and 1 is colored, so it's 1/6. Now, draw a picture of a whole. We have a unit fraction. It means one part from the whole. 1 out of 4. But here we have just one part from the whole. So we need to draw how many more? 3 more. Good. Then one whole is 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 1 from the 4, so we need to draw 3 more. What is the whole? It's 4 equal parts. Love you all.